Fire doubled the calories humans got from the same food, rewiring our evolution. Before fire, early humans spent 6 hours a day just chewing raw food. Energy is just the ability to do work and fire was humanity's first tool for capturing it. For 3.5 million years, human ancestors lived entirely on muscle power and raw food. Then, around 1 million years ago, Homo erectus began controlling fire deliberately. The oldest confirmed hearth site is Wonderwork Cave, South Africa, dated to 1 million years. Fire is a chemical reaction. Fuel plus oxygen releases heat and light, as stored energy breaks free. Wood stores solar energy captured by photosynthesis. Fire simply unlocks it all at once. A wood fire burns at roughly 603 degrees Celsius, far hotter than the human body can naturally produce. Cooking breaks down tough plant cell walls and denatures proteins, making nutrients far easier to absorb. A raw potato yields about 50 calories. A cooked one delivers nearly 200 the same potato. With more calories per bite, humans needed smaller guts, freeing energy for bigger brains. Human brains consume 20% of our total energy, an enormous biological investment made possible by cooking. Fire also provided warmth, extending the habitable range of early humans beyond tropical Africa. Light from fire pushed human activity past sunset, the first extension of the productive day. Campfire light enabled evening storytelling, accelerating language, culture, and social bonding. Here's the reversal. Humans didn't just use fire, Fire physically reshaped the human body over generations. Our teeth shrank by roughly 30% after cooking became regular. We no longer needed raw food grinding power. Fire also became humanity's first manufacturing technology. Hardening clay, shaping tools, smelting metals later. By 10,000 BCE, controlled fire enabled kiln temperatures of 908 degrees Celsius, enough to fire ceramic pottery. Around 3000 BCE, bronze smelting required 1000 degrees Celsius furnaces. Fire as an industrial force had arrived. Every energy technology since steam engines, power plants, rockets is still fundamentally controlled combustion. Today, 80% of global energy still comes from burning things: coal, oil, and natural gas. Even modern gas stoves operate on the same chemical principle as a Homo erectus campfire. The shift away from combustion to solar and wind would be the first true break in 1 million years. Fire didn't just keep early humans warm, it built the brain reading these words right now.